all coins that are in the market, 99% of them will not actually make money. Okay, so if you take a look at here now, you find out that a lot of people, every second, people are buying and selling of different types of coin, both in Binance, in Bybit, in KuCoin. People are buying with thousands and thousands of dollars. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys, if you are going to be making money in crypto market, there is a strategy you must use to make money. So all these people you see buying and selling of coin here mostly end up not making money. Why? Because they doesn't have the information that are needed for them to do what, to make money from buying and selling coins. So most people buy high. Most people buy high and also do what, and sell low. Okay, but the right way to make money in the market is to buy low and sell high. Meaning, if you buy a coin with 50 USD and after selling that coin, maybe you bought it 50 USDT of that coin for 5 pieces of the coin. Then when you sell it back, that 5 pieces of coin which you bought with 50 USDT, you make 55 USDT from it. So it means you made each of them, you made 1 USD from it. That is someone who buy low and do what, and sell high. So let me show you guys how all these things work. So if you take a look at these people, you see that thousands of people are buying with thousands of dollars. But today you can start with 40 USDT, you can start with 20 USDT if you can follow my strategy. I have a VIP group where I share my daily signals so you can buy and sell. So I have a particular boat, and what is the work of that boat which I bought? The boat costs 46 USDT. Now what it does is that it gives you a right information when to buy a coin and when to sell it. So let me tell you what I'm actually talking about. Now let's go to the charts. Let me show you what people are actually doing in this particular crypto market. Now what people does on daily basis is that when they find out that a new coin is being listed, so other people, just like this particular coin, I have viewed the chart so you can understand it. So now when people find out that a new coin is being listed, what do? They put in 10 bucks, 100 bucks, thinking that they will make 10,000 of that particular money, that 10,000%. Okay, some will put in 1 USD and be expecting to make 100 USD. It doesn't work just like that. You need an insider information. So now if you take a look at this particular place, you'll find out that this is actually when this coin was being created. Let me show you here. So this first candlestick which you are seeing here was exactly when this particular coin get launched. So what do people do? Now people, when a coin is being launched, what people does is that they buy from this particular second candlestick. Okay, most people buy from this first candlestick, and what they do is that when they see that the coin they bought is actually going down, just like this third candlestick, you can see the coin went down. When they see that the coin has started dipping, going back down below where they buy, and they bought with, maybe they bought with 100 USD, what you see them do is that they start panicking, and immediately they panic, what happened? They sell all their coin, and when they sell all their coin, they have lose their money. Then the new people now enter, the people that understand how the market, that is the 1% of people. What do? They buy and wait. When they buy and wait, what happened? Then you can now see this long candlestick. Okay, when this long candlestick shoots out, these people make 3x. Okay, that is not the end of the market. What happened is that once they have buy and see that the market have come, they don't normally do what? Sell. What happened again is that the market went down again. Okay, from almost where they buy the market, and what happened? They start selling because their money, they have started losing all their money. If it is someone who bought with 20 USD or 1000 USD, you see from 1000 USD he now have 200, so he start panicking. And what does he do? He sell at this particular place. Okay, let me clear this so you can see. He sell at this particular second dip. Immediately he sell from this particular second dip. Another people that understand how the market work will do what? We buy. Okay, thinking that they are right, but they are not actually right. What happened? The coin will continue to dip. Okay, but 1% of people that makes money from this particular place, just like the boat I'm talking about that we are using to trade. What the boat does is that it dictates for you the first entry point, just like this third candlestick. That is the right place to enter. If you have entered from this third candlestick, you wouldn't panic anything, because even when this particular place is going down, you have already double your portfolio. Okay, so now this particular boat gives you an insider information that you should sell, be able to start selling your coin from this particular price, okay, around anywhere 200%, 50%, 200%, because of how the market works. Okay, most of the time you might buy this particular coin and you'll be thinking that you can make 10,000. Actually, most people make, okay, but it's just few people. So but what happened is that at the end of the day, if you doesn't understand the good information, what the insider are doing, you might end up selling and losing money. But if you understand what their preparation, what they are targeting, it might be that the insider are targeting 10 million market cap for this coin. Then the bot will be giving you information, start selling at 9 million market cap, and by so doing you have made a lot of money. So that's why I tell you that these particular people you see here, just some seconds ago, you can see a lot of more thousands of USD is entering into this particular place, a lot, and most of them end up losing their money. So if you don't want to lose your money, you want to be trading profitable, make sure you join. You can buy the boat or you can join my VIP group, so that whenever I'm buying with the signal, professional signal that I'm getting, you can be able to do what? To make money from the market. Okay, so what you need to do is to do what? You need to buy low and sell high. That is actually how you make money in crypto market. There is no other means, no other way to make money in crypto than to buy low and sell high. So in my VIP group, you will be buying when I'm buying low and selling high. That is what the same result I'm getting. That is what you will get. You can see that someone just bought with 1,480 USDT. So what matters is, do you make profit? Okay, so that is what actually matters. So now you can see when this person just buy, now look at the guy that bought. Now another person just sold 1,488. This is what actually goes on in this crypto space. Okay, even in Bybit here, okay, all this percentage you are seeing people making money, most people, 99% are losing. Okay, 99% of people are losing, and people continue to do what? To buy. People are buying on daily basis. They are buying thousands, millions of this particular tokens worth of USDT. So if you take a look at here now, you can see this is Bybit. You can see people buying 3,000 of this token. See people buying 100,000. If you convert it, that's a whole lot of money. Okay, so people are buying and selling on daily basis. They are losing money. Okay, it's just 1% are making money. You can see that here now. Okay, so you need to be in the selling point. Okay, so the first thing for you to do, if you don't know how to trade crypto, you can join my class. Okay, it costs you only but 30 USDT for you to join my class, and immediately you automatically join the VIP group where I give my daily signal. Make sure you join now and start making money. There are a whole lot of money to make in crypto. Okay, first of all, you need to learn the strategy, and secondary, you use the bot, or you use the same bot that gives the signal. I post it in my VIP group for those of you that couldn't be able to afford buying the bot. So this is one of the way you get an insider information and start making a whole lot of money from the crypto market. Okay, thank